make a tube out of this construction paper. All I'm doing is just rolling the paper. And I'm putting a ping pong ball inside it. So I have my tube, and I'm putting the ping pong ball right inside. It does fit snugly right inside there. And I want to show that I can blow this ping pong ball outside of the tube. Do you think that will happen? Do you think that blowing through the tube onto the ping pong ball will allow the ping pong ball to fly out? Prediction time. What do you think will happen when I blow right onto the ping pong ball through the tube? Will the ping pong ball blow out of the tube? Or will I not be able to blow it out? Will it be stuck inside my tube? What do you think? Let's try it. I'm going to blow directly into my tube, and we'll see what happens. Were you right? Did you predict that the ping pong ball would fly out of the tube? Why did that happen? We demonstrated that there was a low amount of pressure surrounding the ball. When I pushed my air through the tube, the low pressure around the ball allowed the ball to fly right out. What happens if we use a funnel instead of a tube? Let's make a funnel using our paper. I made a funnel using the same paper we had for the tube. I allowed one side to be bigger, with one side being smaller, as a typical funnel would. I'm going to take my ping pong ball and place it right into the top of my funnel. What do you think is going to happen? Will I be able to blow the ball out this time? Is there a difference? Will the shape of my tube or my funnel, does that impact the amount of air pressure that's allowed through it? Does it change the way the pressure flows inside? What do you think? Let's see. I can feel the ball hovering inside of the funnel. Why is the ball not coming out? What's making it stay inside the funnel? Now, the ball was in fact inside the funnel. Why did the ball not fly out of the funnel like it did of the tube? What do you think? Due to the shape of the funnel, it allowed a great amount of pressure to surround the ball inside it. Because the ball was surrounded by so much pressure, it wasn't able to fly out of the top of the funnel like it did when it was inside the tube. The tube created a small amount of pressure around the ball, whereas the funnel had a great deal of pressure around the ball. Here I have 2 plastic wine glasses and a ping pong ball. I'm going to place the ping pong ball inside one of the glasses. Do you think it's possible to get the ping pong ball from this glass into this glass without touching it? What do you think? If you think yes, how would I do it? If you don't think it's possible, why? What makes you think that I can't do it? For those of you that think yes, let's try it. For those of you that think no, prepare to be amazed. Pretty amazing, right? What did I do to make the ball fly out of the cup? Does it matter what side of the ball I blew on? Let me show you how this works. The ball started out in this glass. I knew that I wanted the ball to travel into the one next to it. In order to do that, I needed to blow on the side of the ball that was closest to the glass I wanted the ball to travel to. I blew directly into the cup on this side to ensure my ball would travel out and into this cup. Blowing into the far side of the glass, this glass, built up the pressure on this side. It pushed the ball out of the glass. The flowing air above both of the glasses guided my ball into the cup next to it. This happened because the flowing air above the glasses creates a lower pressure. If I wanted to separate the glasses even further, I would just have to blow harder with more strength to make sure that my ball would leap a greater distance.